Hello, friends. Welcome back. We're doing some language hacking today. Actually, not really hacking on the language, but on the build system. Something I've been wanting to do for a while is get rid of this really ugly Makefile. It's grown uh, beyond its good life. It needs to go away. Uh, and I don't know that we'll get everything done today. But if we could at least get the main Natalie compiler um, building and compiling, then that will be a success. And where do I start? I don't know any Cmake, so this could be interesting. You might be yelling at your screen, "Do this! Google this!" I do know enough to let's see, copy that here. I do have this as a starting point. I did some Googling and found out what I think I need. Um, so let's do that. So Natalie, and we're gonna have it build a static library. And I think what we want to do is list everything in the source directory. How do I do that? Yeah, on all of these files. Wish they were sorted. Maybe they are sorted. Okay. I wanted to build from all those files, and the Ruby ones, those are going to be interesting because those aren't going to be Ruby anymore. So we need to run those through our compiler to make them not Ruby. Okay, did I miss any? There's one. Okay, so those will be CPP files soon. Okay, so the include directories for Natalie are include, and then also target include directories. I wonder, let me close all this junk. Cmake, can I just pass multiple directories into that, or do I have to list one at a time? Oh yeah, I can just list them out. So it's going to be include, and everything in the ext directory. That's not what I meant. So this, and I should just look at my Makefile. So this one has slash include and hash map slash include. Okay, so include, yeah, cool. Now I'm not sure if this is like how you are supposed to indent a Cmake file, but that's how I'm doing it. So that's the include directories. This custom command thing is something I was looking at. Let's just comment that out for now. And let's see what happens. I think I know what's going to happen, but so I think the convention with Cmake is to do a out of tree build. So you make a directory, cd into it, and then you run cmake ... And yeah, so this is what I expected. It cannot find array CPP. So what we need to do is build array CPP first. And what Natalie can do, let's go back to here. Then Natalie, you can do compile obj, and then you can give it like a, whatever, .o, and then source array.rb. I guess this would be like array.o. And it will do that for you. And then in here, you have your object file. But I don't think Natalie, I don't think our compiler needs to even can worry itself about that. If it could just generate a CPP file, yeah. So let's remove that. So let's go do some surgery on our code, on our compiler. Right here, compile object. So I don't know why I did it this way, but let's just change this to, oops, just change this to source to CPP. I mean, what do you call this flag? I want to output CPP. Right. Let's see. Transpile to C++ file and outpath. Yeah. Let's just do this. So let's do to file, to CPP file equals path. Okay, so that option, just make sure, Ben Natalie, oops, oh, to CPP path, transflow, yeah, okay, so that's what we want, and then down here, I don't care about that anymore, do if options to CPP file, I think I can just do to CPP file equals options to CPP file. And then in our compiler RB, obj, this is going to be interesting. Compile the object, oops, let's put that back for a second. Where are all these? So I don't care about that anymore because I don't want it doing that. I don't want it executing GCC or clang for these files. So I'm just going to get rid of that. Why did I put this? Why did I put that like that? I don't know. Probably had a reason. Okay, so we don't want that. And then let's go to the next one. Var prefix. We do want everything prefixed. So what this does is any variables or function names is the important part. They get prefixed. And we need that so that stuff that's compiled, pre-compiled before your program is compiled, don't conflict. And so we do need that prefix. And so let's do to CPP file. Let's just make a new thing for that. I'll just be explicit. Prefix name. Prefix to use on function and variable names. I wonder if you can like hide options. Prefix is prefix. Okay. And this is going to be prefix. Okay, we actually need a place for those to go. Right here. Yeah, so that can go away. Header, accessor, to CPP file, and prefix. Yeah. So if prefix, then this is the prefix. Cool. And ooh, that means we don't. Yeah, we do need the object template. Oh man, I just realized all the assumptions I had baked into that because it uses a different template. It takes off the main and everything else. Interesting. Okay, let's put all this back. Let's put all this back. All that back. Let's just check out the Natalie. Oops. Okay, try again. It is going to be an object file. It's just that we're not going to compile it. So let's make this write object, write to CPP file for object. Oof. That's just like a weird name. It's an okay. Well, for now that works. File obj could be write obj. Yeah, I don't love that. Okay, so let's do this again. Write obj. Don't need that again. So many assumptions. I don't know if that one's even needed anymore, but that's okay. Write obj. Okay, so that gets rid of all that. So does this work now? Ben Natalie, I don't need to do make. Okay. Ben Natalie, write obj array cpp source array dot ruby. No, it doesn't work. Undefined method solver true class. Oh, because I did this wrong. Compile path. I'll just say path here. Does that fix it? Okay, kind of. Array. Oh, dot. There's a dot in it. Huh. Okay, let's just get rid of it. Let's just start over with that. So it's array.cpp underscore. So we essentially just want to get rid of the .cpp part. Sub.cpp. Let's see if that gets us closer. Undefined symbols. Well, why are you linking? Oh, I forgot to tell you not to link, or not to actually compile it. So compiler command, compile C to binary. Okay, so unless write obj. Okay, permission denied. E-access. 104. What? What? Oh, and I need the path to be specified. So say if write obj, then file write obj C, write the C. It's actually C++, but that's okay. And that should get us a little closer. Permission denied 104. What is happening here? Spawn. Oh, how did that work before? compile and run. If compile, if options compile. Oh, I kind of did this wrong, didn't I? So let's just add another else if. Else if options write obj, then compiler.compile, which is not actually compiling, kind of is, kind of isn't. Cool, so now we got our C and it should not have a main. Oh, perfect. So it's just perfect, yes. Cool. So let's commit that. Let's commit that. So cap and bin and yes, yes. All that is good. Okay, cool. Just want to make sure I didn't get anything else in there. Somehow I lost syntax highlighting on this screen. I'll have to fix that. Let's see, change obj files to be written as CPP files. Oof. I don't know. Let's say this will be used by Cmake. What I meant to do was do a branch for Cmake, and I had an old branch for Cmake, so let's delete that. Let's git checkout be Cmake. So I have the commit perfect, and then let's go back to master and get reset hard origin master. Oh, let's move Cmake list to here. Yep, get reset hard origin master. Okay, let's put that back. Go back to Cmake, and then move. Sorry, that was a little bit dumb, but there we go. Okay, so we're back to where we were. But the cool thing now is we can add a custom command that outputs source. Oh, these are all source. Yeah. Oops. Let's try that again. Okay, those are all source. So this will be source array.cpp. Depends on. Oh no, not source. Oh, that's dumb because this is going to be, I don't want it to go into the source directory. I want it to go, where do I want it to go? So what are some Cmake variables? Path variables? Cmake variables, there we go. Provide information, must be this one. Current source directory, that's close, but not quite. So I think that's the one I already knew about. That's this one, current source directory. Build, is there a build directory? Binary dir. I definitely want a dir. Current binary dir. Source dir. Binary dir. Project binary dir. What is this one actually? A path to the binary directory currently being processed. Oh, okay. Like, that's weird. Why didn't they call it builder? Okay, so I think that's what we want. Because we want, do you do squiggly brackets? I think. Okay. So this one, let's see if I can remember which ones it was. Comparable, air no. Why aren't they changing color? It's a little bit concerning. Probably did something wrong. Exception. Okay, thanks. There we go. exception. I'm just gonna have to look. ls source. Okay. There it is. Okay, array comparable, error no, exception, and IO. That was the last one. Okay, cool. So somehow it changes colors later. It's fine. Let's put all these at the top or at the bottom. I don't care. And they're sorted. Okay. So we're going to write those files. I wonder if I can just leave off the path here. Depends on source array.rb. The command is bin Natalie write obj array.cpp from array.rb, and this verbatim thing is important for some reason. Something about escaping. Okay, so I guess we want this for all of these. Comparable. I really hate how much you have to repeat yourself with Cmake. Error no. And IO. I missed one, didn't I? Which one did I miss? Exception. Okay, so I think that's all of those. And then from what I was reading, I may have to put this on there. I don't know. I'll try it later. I was reading, I need to add a custom target. And oh goodness. Let's say compile RB. Because we're compiling the RB to CPP for these files, depends on source array dots. No. Add custom target. I forgot why I had this in there. Add dependencies. So I know this is going to be Natalie depends on compile RB. And array CPP. And you have to say it's generated. So this is important. Comparable, error no, exception, and IO. So those are all generated files. This yeah, I don't know. Oh, so we're saying the target here. Oh, I get it. The target needs all of these files to be built. So do comparable.cpp error no.cpp exception. Oh my. Chances of this working right the first time are approximately 0. So we're going to cmake and oh right, make dir build, cd build, cmake dot. Well, that's actually promising. Let's just do that and we'll run make. Okay. Scanning dependencies of target compile RB, generating array CPP. Bin Natalie, no such file or directory. Because it doesn't know, it's in like a different directory, that's fine. So this is going to be cmake current source directory, right? Yes. So put that on every line. Kind of hard to read. I wonder if like it's taboo to like even these out. I feel like there's probably going to be some Cmake police yelling at me in the comments about this. It just makes it a whole lot easier to read. Ooh, okay. No such file or directory array RB. What did you actually run? You know, I read something. What did I read? Cmake verbose makefile. Verbose makefile, yes. This variable is a cache entry. Well, that's what I want. How do you set that? How do you set it? Oh, I can just set it on the command line? Well, that works. Did that help? Oh, it did. Okay, so /bin Natalie, right obj, array CPP, array RB. So I feel like this part's right, but this part is wrong. Okay, yeah. So over here, I didn't actually tell it where it is. So this is going to be cmake, let's do it all at once. Cmake current source directory slash source slash whatever it is. Ooh, okay, that's good. It's working. It's doing its thing. Holy moly, what just happened? Function declaration does not declare parameters. Oh, okay. But we got through all of those. That's cool. And now it's generating the object file for that CPP file. That's cool. Alias declarations are a C11 extension. Ooh, yes. Cool. Okay. So it's not using C++17. What am I doing? Oh, alias. Yeah, forgot about that. Okay, so cmake C++17. Ooh, I've been here before. Is that the one? Well, that's what didn't work, apparently. Don't know what they're talking about. Target compile features. That looks a little funky. Oh, look at that. Set target properties. I think I just want this. Yeah. This is going to be Natalie. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I wonder why it generated those again. Oh, it didn't. Yes. Check it out. Boom, 100%. What? And we got libnatalie.a. Yes. Yes, it works. Cool. So what do we have here? Where does it actually go? Oh, it's right there. So this is kind of gross that these are in the directory. Would it be cooler to have those in like, I don't know, like a temp directory or something? Or maybe like generated. We'll call it generated. Okay, so we'll say generated. Can we do that? Generated. Is that gross? I think that's pretty cool. I should have put these on multiple lines. Oh, come on. Now I can do this. Generated. And how gross is that? No, it didn't like that, did it? Oh, no such file or directory. Okay, okay. Cmake, how to make directory. Yeah. Creating a directory in Cmake. Man, what did we do before Stack Overflow? To create a directory when Cmake creates the build system. Make directory at build time. Make directory, what is that? Create a directory by using the command cmake command e make directory. Ugh. I guess that's like the platform independent way of doing it. Cmake. So it's actually running cmake command mode. Sort of like recursive. Okay. Sure, why not? Add custom target. Gotcha. Okay. Don't need that anymore. Okay, build time make directory. We'll say make generated directory. Command cmake command e make directory. So we'll say generated. I don't know. Does that work? Looks like it did. Oh, I didn't like that though. Generated. Oh. Blah. Over here with our compiler, prefix. I don't know. Actually, let's do this. Split it on slashes and grab the last one. That way the path doesn't matter what it's called. And is there like a make clean? Oh, that's so cool. Okay. So now I wonder, so now that I did it here, I wonder if it's supposed to go in here. Cmake files. Cmake temp. Interesting. So each target gets its own directory. That's cool. Temp gets a directory. So what's in that? Compile rv.dir. I wonder if there's a, so I'm kind of going on a rabbit trail here, but I wonder if I wonder if there's a like a convention or a way to put it in here, because I feel like that would be the right thing to do. Let's see, like the target. Cmake get current target build directory. Set up a directory for your binaries. Nope. Nope. Current source. Nope. Get target property might be that. Get a property from a target. Properties on targets. So properties on targets. Archive, autogen. It might be that one. Let's open that one. It's probably this one. Relay property reports the value of the current binary dir variable in the directory in which the target was defined. Oh, so is this like contextual? Okay. So what if we did that? Is that dumb? It's a little bit verbose, but make clean. No, it's just putting it. It's just putting in the build directory. So that didn't actually change anything. But what was the other one? This one, autogen. Directory where auto. Ugh. Okay, I have no idea what that is. Yeah, forget it. Just gonna put it right in the root. Call it good. Clean. We'll run that again. So that was working. So now we have libnatalie.a. That's pretty cool. Git add .lib. Yeah, we'll just amend that. Cool. And oh, this is so cool. So in our compiler, I already have it open. So instead of, ooh, that reminds me, I do need this position independent code. Otherwise my REPL won't work. I have learned that the hard way. Cmake set position independent code. Oh, look at that, Cmake. Wait, what? Default value. Oh, I see. Okay. It's true for shared. Oh. Well, isn't that... Oh, no, I'm making it static. Duh. Yes. I'm making it static. So definitely, it still needs to be position independent. So, Cmake how to set target property. Oh, I know how to do that because I was down here. Set target properties. Set target properties. So I think I can just do that true. Ugh. I don't know if that works or not. Come on. Can I see it? Okay, so it won't be here. So I'm looking for pick. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Yeah, so it's doing it. I don't think it was doing it before, right? Yeah, it wasn't. Okay, so we definitely fixed that. Cool. Now what? Now we need to teach our compiler, compiler to I'm not even sure if that's necessary, but that's okay. All the include paths and stuff, that's right, but all these O files can go away. We don't need those. We need libnatalie.a. The reason I'm hesitating is because that's in the build directory, and I think the point of Cmake is you can call this whatever you want. I think after it's over, we need to move this out. I could just look for it in both places for now. I could just do this. Root directory, that's, yeah, so it's going to be root directory /bill /, okay, that'll work for now. That just means we always have to use the word build. I have to use the directory build. I think that's not too bad for now. The question is, does it work? Print 1 plus 2. Oh, it works. But did it work for the right reason? So if I do make clean here with my own Makefile, and I remove, let's see, obj can go away. Because I don't think we're going to use that anymore. Yeah, that can go away. Cool. So this is what it's going to take to do that. So let me do this again. So rmrf build, makedir build, oops. Let's try that again. Build. Okay, so you're going to do cd build, you're going to do cmake ... and it's going to build the Makefile, right? And then you're going to run make. Oh, it didn't work. Scanning dependencies. Please run make build. Oh, that's my message. RG, please run. Where did I put that? Oh, this was just like a little test. Oh, so we can say if let's change this to builder. Builder. And builder, and it's going to be file.join rootdir to the word build, spelled correctly. Go away. Okay, so that's that. Please go say if file.join plus file.join builder libnatalie.a exist. I think you can do that on a path. Could be wrong. Actually, pretty sure I'm wrong. Yeah, undefined method exists. File.exist. Let's do it that way. Please run make build. Oh. Okay. Check build. We don't want to check build if write obj, then we're just going to write the file. Return. Otherwise, we're going to do all that other stuff. Yeah. Oh, that looks so pretty. Okay, so now if I do bin Natalie, took its sweet time, didn't it? 1 plus 4, hi. Oh, it's working. Cool. What did we change on the compiler? Oh yeah, that's fine. Okay, add Cmake. Let's see, basic support for building with Cmake. Well, the basic stuff works. Of course, make test. Oh, does that mean? Well, I'm only 46 minutes in. Let's see, what's in our Makefile? Like, how would you do a test? Is it common? Well, let's just go look at our friend Andreas Serenitos. Let's just go look at his project. Does he have a Makefile and a Cmake? No. How does he run tests? Enable testing, add subdirectory. That's fancy. That's way fancier than what I was doing. I don't even know what all this is. Ooh. Fun stuff. Andreas, how do you run your tests? Oh, right. You run your tests inside of Serenity for the JavaScript engine. That's all in the user land. Okay, that doesn't make sense. What is example Cmake for running test? Suite. Basic test suite. Okay. I mean, I guess it could be a custom command or something. Enable testing does a lot of magic. First of all, it creates a built-in target test, which when run executes ctest. Ugh. The call to add test file registers an arbitrary executable with ctest. Oh. Okay. Okay, we're going to try that. Cmake lists. Let's guess it's open over here. Let's get rid of that. Enable testing. Creates an executable which instantiates a runner. My test. Okay, so I need the top one and the bottom one, I think. I have to call it my test? What? Test main CPP. The macro enable testing does a lot of magic. Okay. Call to add test finally registers an executable. Thus the executable gets run when we call test. But what links the word test? So I don't see anything. Cmake enable testing. Apparently I need to know what that actually does. Enable testing. Enables testing for this directory and below. This command should be in the source directory directory root because cmake expects to find a test file in the build directory root. So C test modules. Add test command. Adds a test named. Oh, right. It's just called add test. So what if we just call. I mean, that's what we want right there. Name test. I don't know if that's actually going to work. Cmake. Oh, so I have to do cd build cmake dot make test like that. Ooh, no. That's not my stuff at all. I don't want it to run ctest. How do I run my test? Cmake add test, custom test runner. Using cmake will get a verbose output. Nope. Speed up here. Nope. Add test. Nope. 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 Ctest. I don't want to use ctest. Ugh. Come on, Google. Don't let me down. Testing with ctest. Cmake custom. I don't want ctest. No. Unless that's. Oh, I see. Maybe I do have to use it. Ctest is a testing tool distributed. It can be blah, 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 blah. What? What is that even running? Test project, start test. That's not my stuff. Let's try the verbose make test. Make clean. Well, I'm running out of time, so I'm just gonna skip that for now. Obviously don't know how to do testing with Cmake. And another thing I just realized I didn't do is in our Makefile, I actually have it building these external libraries, and these require some custom commands. But I think I have the plumbing I need over here between custom target and custom command, and then add dependency. So these three commands, I could have it build this stuff as a dependency. So anyway, I'm gonna keep working on that. And that wasn't too bad. It looks really pretty, I know that. Clean cmake dot. Nope. Oh, I just cleaned out the root. Okay, cd build, make clean cmake dot, and then make. Oh, and it's verbose. So how do I rf star? I wonder if there's like another command to clean this directory. Oh, that looks so cool. I like the colors too. That's nice. It's really nice. Look at it go. So I assume I can do make clean and I can do make J4. Yeah, much better. Sweet. 1.1 megabyte archive file. Oh, so cool. Just out of curiosity, we're up to 15,000 lines of code. Natalie is becoming a thing. It's becoming a real language. The test suite takes like two minutes now to run. So that's pretty cool. 15,000 lines of code. Git log, one line. And we're up to 871 commits, so getting close to the 1,000th commit. So that'll be a celebration day. Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. If you saw me do something stupid with the Cmake config, please let me know in the comments below. And I hope you learned something, or I hope that you can help me learn something. Either way is great. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.